So we're just out the door here surveying things. It looks like we got about 6 inches maybe. And the snow is nowhere near stopping. It's supposed to snow all day and actually get worse tonight. So we're just making our way down. So came to Vermont to scout around, and we knew there was the possibility of snow. And guess what? We're here in right during a major snowstorm. The parts of the Northeast expected to get 12 to 18 inches. I don't think we're going to get that much here. Woodstock is pretty low in terms of elevation. You can kind of see it falling right there. It's a wet, fine but wet snow, and it's sticky. Plows have obviously been through here, which is good. Good video shot here as we go under this pine tree. It's funny, those telephone wires, they got little bits of snow sticking to them, and every once in a while the wind just takes them and blows them down. Pretty cool. Just keep walking along this little country lane outside the village of Woodstock now. I just saw some no hunting signs, so we must be getting into deeper woods now. Pretty cool. Footsteps. Been 2 cars past us on this road so far. Both were plows. We're headed downhill now. As we go downhill, snow is blowing a little bit more on our face. Very beautiful. Just really nice. This is your picture postcard of winter Vermont that everybody comes to see, and what we've been seeing in mid-March is kind of that crappy, dirty snow, you know, sand on the road type stuff that you'll often see in late winter. But this is not going to be easy to drive in, but this is what you come to see. Very nice. Come on, bud. Whoop, I'm getting dropped on here. Just dollops of snow just falling. Yeah. Big, I can hear a big blip, blip, blip. Sylvia just tried to make it. It's supposed to be a snow angel, but it actually looks like a snow corpse. What?
Face down.
Oh my goodness. Here's another one of these ones I wonder about. Eyes against this. Oh my goodness. There's a very confused dog.